Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the side view mirrors on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. In my case, my driver's side has to get replaced, and you can see I just went and picked up a new to me, but a used 2013 side view mirror. It's the same thing, 2009, 2014. Mine comes with a reverse tilt, and it's also heated. If you follow the channel, the original glass was held down here by adhesive. You can see that some of it's still here. And then the wires were corroded, so all those is all messed up. I got the mirrors somewhere. Oh, I gotta unlock the car first. Let's see. Alright, so didn't break any of the clips, so that's good. Yeah, so this one got minus cuffs, got some clear coat issue right here, it's flaking. Other than that, perfectly fine. So yeah, this be up for grabs too. Like I said, dirt cheap. So now we're gonna pop this out. These are getting trashed. I don't know if they work or not, but damn. Yeah, some moisture has gotten into here. So yeah, this getting trashed. That's trash. Now I'm gonna show y'all how to take out the mirror, and then we're gonna continue swapping everything. All right, so on the Nissan, you don't have to fully take off the entire door panel. You just reach behind here and pull towards you, and then get behind this panel, pull back as well. Hopefully I'm not blocking the camera, and then slide it this way. I'll show you why in a second. Because of this right there. So you can't pull it straight up, so just slide it that way. And this mirror has been taken off before. I don't believe that was factory, because I'm pretty sure that at the factory they would have fixed it. So that one's broken off. So this mirror was removed for whatever reason it is, but we're going to replace it. So put it back here. So now you're just going to need a 10 mil, and there would have been 3 nuts you would have to take off, but in this case it's only 2. And before we do that, I have to disconnect it first. So the connector's right there. So once again, you don't have to remove the whole door. I got big hands. I'm able to reach down here. So all you gotta do, let's see if I can fit the camera. Push down on this tab and then pull up. Alright. There we go. So that's this. I'm gonna set it back on the tripod, and then we're gonna proceed. Alright. I'm just gonna crack them loose. And then support the mirror with your opposite hand, and then start taking out the nuts. That way the mirror doesn't fall. Alright, so now we can pull the mirror away. And then, like I said, we're going to transfer. Yeah, it's even had tape and stuff before. So something happened to this side. But I'm going to carefully take this off. I'm going to carefully take this off. I think this is the only part of the mirror that's actually good to resell. But I just accidentally broke one tab. Somebody just trash it. Yeah. So I didn't have no screws, so I could take this off. Alright, so I got my sequential taken out. I'm gonna pop open this mirror because I know the motor still works. Yeah, the motor still, I know the motor works perfectly fine, the reverse tilt. Just a harness for the heated mirror at auto dim is corroded, so that's not connected to the mirror. So if you need an inside motor, I will open this, break this up, and then post it for sale. All right, so now we're gonna get our new to me mirror. It's not 100% new. So we're gonna connect it, slide it in. All right, that's in. We're gonna put that little screw in. It's the mirror, yeah. So this is another thing that was missing off of that mirror. The screw that holds the back of this turn signal. And thanks to a few subscribers that seen the previous video, mentioned that there was an inside screw, and I never knew because, of course, when I came on the car, I didn't have it. All right, got my Phillips. And this is a used one. It got 90-day warranty, but I'm gonna check it out today. So to pop it back in, let's do that. There you go. And then I'm gonna put my silver one on. Oh yeah, I forgot I accidentally broke the clip on this, so. Right one, go back on until my new painted ones come in. So stay tuned for that. All right, so this again. All right, so now we're gonna feed the harness through. The little slot, pull it through. And put it through its hose. Alright, gonna get the nuts, put them in. Now reconnect the harness for the side view mirror. Alright. One down. Two. Three. And then to reconnect the harness, just slide it behind the door panel. If you got small hands, and I do, it's probably a whole lot easier for you. But I got big hands, so I'm showing that you can sit there and do this with one hand. Line it up. You hear it click click in place. So that's connected. All right, and then to put this back in, well, I dropped the clip. So if you accidentally drop the clip, let me zoom you out, you still don't have to remove the whole door panel. Just pull. So if it was like me and the clip accidentally fell, which is highly likely, you still do not have to remove the entire door panel. If that happens, just pull out the rest of the door panel and it should pop out. And voila. So, and just pop that in up to here underneath this line. And then you want to get the little cover, slide it back into its little slot. As so. Then pull back and slide it back the same way you took it out. And of course you gotta move the wiring harness to maneuver a little bit better. And once you do that, line it up to its hose and push. And then once you've done that, line up the rest of the hose and push. Voila. Alright, so I'm gonna get this out the way. I had that holding my little mini tripod, and we're gonna test the, actually we can test it regardless. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and test it. Alright, so the sequentials is working. That's good. So now we're gonna test the mirror, make sure that's working. Switch that to the driver's side. Oh yeah, the car gotta be on. Oh, gotta find my key. Alright, so put it on. Alright, so let's test the mirror. Online quickly and activate your radio. Yeah, so the mirror is working. Alright, so the mirror is working as it should. So that's how you replace a side mirror on a 7th Gen Nissan Maxima. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And stay tuned. Early next week to mid next week, I will be getting new mirror covers from my friends over at Bumper Set Delivered by MBR Auto. So that won't be staying white. I accidentally broke the clips on the silver one. It's not sticking on, so I got the white one. So that's getting trash. So see you on the next one.